Open. I open the door. I open the door. Wake. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. Get. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. Stand. I stand up from the chair. I stand up from the chair. Stretch. I stretch my arms to feel relaxed. I stretch my arms to feel relaxed. Step. I step into the room. I step into the room. Wash. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. Dry. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel. Look. I look at the beautiful painting on the wall. I look at the beautiful painting on the wall. Pick. I pick up my books from the shelf. I pick up my book from the shelf. Brush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Wash. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. Dry. I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel. Walk. I walk to the park every evening. I walk to the park every evening. Open. I open the fridge to grab some milk. I open the fridge to grab some milk. Put. I put my keys on the table. I put my keys on the table. Comb. I comb my hair before leaving the house. I comb my hair before leaving the house. Look. I look outside the window at the rain. I look outside the window at the rain. Walk. I walk down the street to the bus stop. I walk down the street to the bus stop. Take. I take my bag and leave for work. I take my bag and leave for work. Drink. I drink a glass of water before breakfast. I drink a glass of water before breakfast. Put. I put my shoes near the door. I put my shoes near the door. Open. I open the door to welcome my guests. I open the door to welcome my guest. Take. I take a deep breath before speaking. I take a deep breath before speaking. Slice. I slice the bread for breakfast. I slice the bread for breakfast. Eat. I eat my lunch in the park. I eat my lunch in the park. Chew. I chew my food slowly and enjoy the taste. I chew my food slowly and enjoy the taste. Close. I close the door behind me. I close the door behind me. Sit. I sit down on the sofa and relax. I sit down on the sofa and relax. Stand. I stand up to give my presentation. I stand up to give my presentation. Walk. I walk to the store to buy groceries. I walk to the store to buy groceries. Pick. I pick up the phone to answer the call. I pick up the phone to answer the call. Step. I step carefully on the icy pavement. I step carefully on the icy pavement. Lock. I lock the door when I leave the house. I lock the door when I leave the house. Walk. I walk to the office every day. I walk to the office every day. Breathe. I breathe deeply to calm my nerves. I breathe deeply to calm my nerves. Cross. I cross the street when the light is green. I cross the street when the light is green. Smell. I smell the flowers in the garden. I smell the flowers in the garden. Continue. I continue my work after the break. I continue my work after the break. Write. I write an email to my friend. I write an email to my friend. Read. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. Take. I take a moment to reflect on the day. I take a moment to reflect on the day. Leave. I leave the house for my morning walk. I leave the house for my morning walk. Wait. I wait for my turn at the counter. I wait for my turn at the counter. Look. I look at the picture on the wall. I look at the picture on the wall. See. I see the children playing outside. I see the children playing outside. Get. I get the groceries from the car. I get the groceries from the car. Walk. I walk to the meeting room for the presentation. Sit. I sit down to take a break from work. I sit down to take a break from work. Rest. I rest for a few minutes after the workout. I rest for a few minutes after workout. Close. I close the book when I am done reading. I close the book when I am done reading. Stand. I stand at the bus stop waiting for the bus. I stand at the bus stop waiting for the bus. Watch. I watch the birds flying across the sky. I watch the birds flying across the sky. Listen. I listen to music while working. I listen to music while working. Leave. I leave the office after a long day. I leave the office after a long day. Walk. I walk home after a busy day. I walk home after a busy day. Enter. I enter the restaurant and take a seat. I enter the restaurant and take a seat. Take. I take the keys from the table before leaving. I take the keys from the table before leaving. Hang. I hang my coat on the hook near the door. I hang my coat on the hook near the door. Walk. I walk into the room to join the meeting. I walk into the room to join the meeting. Open. I open the book to start reading. I open the book to start reading. Sit. I sit in my favorite chair to relax. I sit in my favorite chair to relax. Relax. I relax my body and mind after a long day. I relax my body and mind after a long day. Pick. I pick the right option from the list. I pick the right option from the list. Put. I put my phone on the table. I put my phone on the table. Go. I go to the park for a walk. I go to the park for a walk. Wash. I wash my hands before dinner. I wash my hands before dinner. Enjoy. I enjoy the taste of fresh fruit. I enjoy the taste of fresh fruit.